Hello children, Namaste everyone. Welcome back to the mathematics class. Hope you are doing well. So far the study of linear equations with a single variable or one variable, we have studied how to simplify a linear equation. If two expressions are given in left hand side and right hand side, how to solve that linear equations to find the value of the variable. That's what we have seen in the previous videos. See, today we will learn about reducing equations to the simpler form and equations reducible to linear form. See, afterwards we will study some verbal questions or some application type of questions in the next video. Today we will learn about reducing equation to the simple form. In that one, we will see here x by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. Look at this equation. X by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. What you have to do here? See, it is to be reduced, that equation is to be reduced to the simpler form. See here what we have to do is, this is one, x by 2 is one expression, this is another expression, another expression, another expression, 4 expressions are there. See here in the denominator there are few numbers, real numbers. So you have to find the denominators, the LCM of the denominators. 2, 5, 3 and 4, you have to find the LCM. So what is the LCM of 2, 5, 3 and 4? See here LCM means it is a greater number or its multiple, isn't it? See 5 is a greater number here, but 5 you can't divide 5 exactly by other 3 numbers. So next multiple of 5 is 10, so here also 10 also you can't divide 3 and 4. Then next multiple 15, you can't divide 2 and 4 by 15. Then next multiple 20, you can't divide 3 and 3, you can't divide 3 completely by 20. Next multiple of 5 is 25, you can't divide this 2, 3 or 4. Next multiple of 5 is 30, you can divide 2, you can divide 5, you can divide 3 and you can divide 4. You can't divide 4, so 30. Next multiple 35. Is it possible to multiply by 35? Next multiple 35. You can't divide other 3 numbers. Next 40. Is it possible to divide by 40? 2 can be divided by 40 and 5 you can divide. You can't divide 3, but you can divide 40. Next 45. Is it 45? You can't divide 2 by 45. Other numbers 4 also you can't. Other numbers 5 and 3 you can. Next 45. Next after 45, 50 also you can't. 55 can't. 60. Is it possible to divide by 60? Yes, you can divide all the numbers by 60, or 60 can be divided by all these numbers completely. Therefore, 60 is the LCM. Or how to find the LCM of this? Simple form of finding LCM is 3, 4. See, you have divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. 5 you can't, you have to write as it is. 3 can't, you have to write as it is. 2 2s are 4. Again by 2. See, 1 as it is, 5 as it is, 3 as it is, 2 1s are 2. Next 3, 1 as it is, 5 as it is, 3 1s are 3, 1. Next 5, 1, 1, 1, 1. So this the product of these numbers, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. So 2 into 3 into 5 is equal to 60 is the LCM. So this is what you have studied in your previous classes. This is a procedure to find the LCM. So you have to divide by LCM. So LCM is LCM 2, 5, 3 and 4. 60 is the LCM of these numbers. Next, multiply by the LCM to all the terms. So x into 2 into 60. Then minus 1 by 5 into 60. Next is equal to x by 3 into 60. then plus 1 by 4 into 60. See, if you multiply by the common LCM to all the terms, then there is no change in the value. Now what happens is 2 ones are 2, 2 30s are 60. So x into 30 becomes 30x minus 5 ones are 5, 5 12s are 60. So minus 12, you can write as 12 is equal to 3 ones are 3, 3 20s are 30. So x into 20 is 20x. Next 4 ones are 4, then 4 ones are 4, then 4 60. 15s are 60. So plus 15. So 2 by x by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4 is reduced to the simpler form. The denominator is not there here. That is equal to 30x minus 12 is equal to 20x plus 15. Now carry this 20x to the left hand side. It becomes minus 20x. See, variable side will carry to one side, it becomes minus 20x is equal to 15. Carry this 12 that side, whole number, it becomes plus 12. So 30x minus 20x is equal to 10x is equal to 27. Therefore, x is equal to 27 by 10. So this is the value of the variable. X is equal to 27 by 10. Okay, like this we will do. In the same way, let us study another problem. Let us see another problem. See, for example, x minus 5 divided by 3 is equal to x minus 3 divided by 5. Look here. Here, this is a single term. It is x minus 5 is a whole term. Not x by 3 and 5 by 3. Not like that. The meaning is x minus 3 is one single term. So, LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. So, multiply by 15, x minus 5 into 15. Okay, divided by 3. See, divided by 3. So, like this. So, x minus 5 by 15, and here also is equal to x minus 3 by 5 into 15. Let us multiply by the denominator to both the terms. So, x minus 5 by 3 into 15, x minus 3 by 5 into 15. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are. So x minus 5 into 5 is equal to 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15. X minus 3 into 3. So it becomes like this: x minus 5 into 5 is equal to x minus 3 into 3. So x minus 5 into 5 is equal to, you have to multiply by this 5 to both the terms. 5 into x, 5x. And 5 into 5 is 25 minus 25. It becomes like this is equal to 3 into x is 3x minus 3 into 3 is 9. So it becomes like this: 5x minus 25 is equal to 3x minus 5, 9. So carry this 3x to the left hand side, it becomes minus 3x is equal to plus 25, minus 25 carry to the right hand side, it becomes plus 25, minus 9 already there in the right hand side, I didn't carry to any side. So 5x minus 3x is equal to x is equal to 25 minus 9 is equal to 16. Therefore x is equal to 16 by 2 is equal to 16 by 2 is equal to 8. So like this we will simplify a equation. So you can reduce that equation to the simpler form like this. Okay. Well, next, to reduce the equation to the linear form, what is the meaning of this? See, for example, 8x minus 3 divided by 3x is equal to 2. It is given like this. Here there is no particular number in the denominator. In the previous question there had numbers. Suppose the form is like this. Now what you have to do is, here what is there in the denominator, you have to multiply it here. So what happens that one? Here also, if you multiply here it is 1, so 3x is the term. So if you multiply it by 3x, see, into 3x is equal to 2 into 3x. See, like this. It becomes like this. So 3x and 3x gets cancelled. 8x minus 3 into 3x and 3x gets cancelled. Now what happens? 8x minus 3 is equal to 3 into 2 into 3x becomes 6x. 8x minus 3 is equal to 6x. Therefore, carry this 6x to the left hand side, it becomes minus 6x. Carry this minus 3 to the right hand side, it becomes plus 3. 8x minus 6x is equal to 3. 8x minus 6x is equal to 2x is equal to 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3 by 2. So 3 by 2. Here x is equal to 3 by 2. So like this we will simplify. Let us see one more problem. See, x by x plus 15 is equal to 4 by 9. Suppose a question is like this. Here, what you have to do is, it's enough. What is where it is a variable, multiply to this. What happens at x into x plus 15, x into x plus 15 divided by x plus 15. What is that in the denominator? You multiply it to here and here also. 4 by 9 into x plus 15. See like this. It becomes like this. Now what happens is x plus x by 15, x plus x by 15 gets cancelled. X is equal to, see, divided by 9 there. Here what is the meaning? Into 9 means you have to multiply this. It becomes 4 into x, 4x. 4 into 15 is 60 divided by 9. Divided by 9. It becomes like this. 4 into 4 divided by 9 into x plus 15 is equal to 4x plus 15. 4x plus 60. Now carry this 9 to the left hand side, it becomes 9 into x. If you carry this denominator to the left hand side, it goes to the numerator in another side. So 9 into x becomes 9x is equal to 4x plus 60. Carry this 4x to the left hand side, it becomes minus 4x. 9x minus 4x is equal to 60. 9x minus 4x is equal to 5x. Total 5x is equal to 60. Therefore, x is equal to 60 divided by 5 is equal to how much? 12. So, x is equal to 12. Like this, we will simplify. So, you can reduce that equation to the first what you have to do. You have to reduce the given equation to the linear form. This is linear form. 9x plus 9x is equal to 4x plus 50 is the linear form. Here denominators are there, not in the linear form. You have to reduce that onto this form by multiplying by the variable what is there in the denominator. Like this we will do. Okay. Some questions, application type of questions we will see, and remaining questions I will send the notes. You have to take down, and some questions I will give. You have to try that questions yourself. And if you have any clarifications, you just send that questions to me. I will answer and I will send back to you. Okay. See you in our next video.